Hi guys! Welcome to Day Zero and this is Day 18. So, yun guys, kanina pala ako nagsasalita, hindi ko pa napindot yung play, but I just wanna update you guys na 2:41 and so, yun guys, wala naman masyadong bago gagawin. May mga agendas lang ako, sama ko yung girlfriend ko na pakulay ng buhok. And ako after nun siguro mag-gym na ako. Yun lang, wala na akong ginagawa. By next week siguro marami na akong gagawin. Kasi magsisimula na yung school year sa school namin. And yeah, nakikita nyo naman yun kung saan ako nagkakalan and everything. So, again, I just wanna say thank you guys for always supporting me. Um, may mga ano daw ako, although kahit sobrang baba ng reacts, may mga naano ko na pinapanood nila yung video ko and I wanna say thank you guys. So kung sino man yung mga manonood sa video ko, I hope you guys continue supporting me until the very end of my journey, which is the 365 days. And actually after nun wala pa akong bala ko baka mag-rebrand or something, pero I hope makatagos talaga ako sa Facebook. I mean, I'm not doing this for you guys. I'm doing this for myself. But hindi naman ako hypocrite o para itanggi na ayoko ng fame or something like that. Kasi fame is like cumulative money, and that money is one of my goals is to have money. So, yun. Kaya ako ginagawa to. Well, the main goal is for myself. Siyempre kung pa-follow lahat, why not, di ba? If it goes according to my plan, that's why I'm posting every day. Sino bang hindi nga? But it's always the God's will. So, yeah guys. Thank you guys. So, yeah. So, yun guys. Paalis na ako dyan. At kung makikita nyo, traffic. Santo Niño pala yan ng mga oras na yan. And ayan, after ko magawa yung agenda ko, ayan, nag-gym na ako. And ang gym ko for today is leg day. I think that's leg press. Ay, hindi pala leg press yan. Basta leg day yan. Pataas yung ginagawa ko dyan. And ayan, tamang paano lang. Alam mo talaga. And ayan, na pataas, ngayon pababa. Hindi ko alam kasi kung anong mga exactly. Basta yun kasi yung ginagawa ko dati na alam ko nakapagpapayad sa akin eh. But ayan, yun, sorry. Yan yung leg press. That's 100 kilo. What I'm doing that. Yan yung 100 kilo na ayan, nakahiga. seryoso. Tapos after ko mag leg day, tawag dito, ano ba yung tawag yan? Tricep? Yeah, I did two tricep. Tapos almost 8 legs. So yun, after ko mag leg day, ayan, nag-treadmill na ako. Imbis na 5 minutes, ginawa kong 10 minutes yung treadmill ko kasi nga, dito, hindi ko nagawa yung una. After ko mag leg day, hindi ko na pinidyohan yung boxing ko kasi nag-enjoy ako sa music, kaya ayun, binidyohan ko na lang yung pagtapos na. And ayan, pauwiin naman na ako nun. And as you can see guys, ano ko is 5,179. So wala akong utang and everything. So yan, thank you guys for watching, and please like, comment, and share sa ating mga videos if you still wanna watch and continue supporting me. Thank you guys.